Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito na natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for 2025. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Scorpio, let us see ano ang parating sa inyong kaperahan ngayong 2025. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. Study. Uy, may pag-aaralan kayo. May mga training. Training sa trabaho or meron kayong research na gagawin. Self-study para mas mapaunlad nyo ang inyong kaalaman. Pwedeng sa pag-handle ng pera or pwede rin namang bagong kaalaman for you to, make more money for business. True love come to me. I think minamanifest mo yung trabaho or career na talagang gusto mo or mahal mo or talagang masasabi mo na you are going to be very passionate about. 'Di ba? Kasi pwedeng nagtatrabaho ka sa isang company pero nandun ka lang dahil may kinikita kang pera, kinsenas katapusan. Or let's say you have a business kasi itong business na to dahil ito lang yung trending kaya ginagawa mo siyang business pero hindi mo rin naman talaga gusto. So for some of you, you are manifesting what you really want in your career, in your business. Wow, there's a new inspiration coming in, Scorpio. So you will be more inspired sa bagong idea na to. So pwedeng meron kang may isip na idea to earn money, to create more abundance in your life ngayong 2025. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yung inspiration na yan. I think mas mamamotivate ka rin. Kasi parang meron kang goal, no? I see you setting a goal na gusto mong maging expert sa field na yan. Oo. At para maging expert ka dyan, you need to study, you need to experience. 'Di ba? So, inspired ka. You have the 3 of Swords. Nako. I think sa una, no, meron ditong mga rejections, disappointments. You might feel na parang ang hirap, no? Oo, ang hirap abutin ng mga goals mo. With the 2 of Wands, hindi ka mawawala ng pag-asa. Okay? Alam mo sa sarili mo yung mga kakayanan mo. And I think, yung mga rejections na yan or disappointments na may experience mo, dyan ka kukuha ng inspiration para mas pagbutihin pa, galingan pa yung efforts mo. With the Moon, you are also connecting to your higher self, to your instinct, your intuition, your emotions. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong babalikan na pangarap nyo ng bata pa kayo na hindi nyo na-pursue kasi for some reasons may mga financial constraints. Pwedeng, let's say pangarap mo dati maging doktor pero yung parents mo hindi ka kayang pag-aralin ng pagdodoktor, hindi nila kaya financially. So ngayon, may kakayanan ka na gawin yan. Itutuloy mo na yung mga pangarap mo. Wow, you have the King of Pentacles. So this is stability. This is success in your career, in your finances. Merong leadership role para sa inyo. You will be recognized. So kumbaga, ano man tong challenge na pagdaanan ninyo, it's all going to be worth it kasi makukuha mo rin naman yung goal mo. Oo. May mga challenge lang, syempre ganun talaga, but it's all going to be worth it. Lalo na kung babalikan mo talaga yung passion mo, what you really want to pursue, especially when you were a child. Let's see what else. self-reliance, ayan, mas magiging independent ka. Kayang-kaya mong alagaan sarili mo. You can provide for yourself, for your needs. Some of you are exploring. Maaring may pagkakataon na lalayo kayo, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng bakasyon. And tong bakasyon na to, yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng clarity. Tapos marami kayong ma-realize about life. O maaring magbubukas ng inspirasyon yan sa inyo na magsimula ng bagong produkto talaga, no? Kasi innovation, imagination, technology. So pwedeng if you are into science, no, or technology, pwedeng meron kayong literal na maiimbento. Na pwedeng pasimuno kayo dyan. Or magpa-pioneer kayo sa isang idea, sa isang inspiration. Wow, quick action, no? And you are also going to receive yung mga wishes mo. May wish granted dito. You also have tandem bicycle. So, synchronized alliance. So, may partnership. Pwedeng may person sa buhay mo na tutulong sa'yo. Can be your family member, romantic partner, friend that will support you. No? Nandyan siya for you. You have the resources that you need, Scorpio, okay? Kung ano yung kailangan mo for your business, for your career, you have it. And you also have this good health, no? Di ba nga, sabi natin, health is wealth. Yung ating kalusugan ay kayamanan. So, I see you na mas maraming magagawa, mas maraming ma-accomplish in your career or in your business, in your job. Dahil ikaw ay malakas, malusog, masigla. Universal laws and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. Oh my God, you are creating your reality. Scorpio, 'di ba? Yung mga ideas mo na isa sa katuparan mo na. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. So, itong studying ninyo, may kinalaman din yan sa, let's say, manifestation. 'Di ba? Inaalam mo rin kung how to manifest your goals and dreams na the fastest way possible. So, you are reaching new heights. Umaangat. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yan. So, lagi niyo isipin, kapag natatagalan kayo sa pagdedesisyon, mas malaki yung possibility na medyo ma-delay yung resulta. Kasi matagal kayo mag-decide. So, use your discernment, use your instinct, your intuition, kasi yun yung magiging guide ninyo. Kung ano ba ang best. Okay, let's see. Ano pa? Money, career, finances. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring maka-experience kayo ng discontentment. Yung parang, hindi na ako kontento dito sa trabaho na to, sa career na to, sa business na to. Gusto ko ng bago. Ganon. So, yan yung mag-trigger sa inyo. I feel like yung Three of Swords dito is like this discontentment, disappointment sa situation ninyo. At yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration to make some changes. Ayan, mas babalansehin mo rin yung oras panahon mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, sa mga taong mahal mo, para lahat sila, no, kaya mong paglingkuran, kaya mong nandun yung presensya mo. You have feast, so this is celebration. Meron ka i-celebrate. This can be a celebration of your work, the celebration of yung mga accomplishments mo sa trabaho, sa career. So like what I mentioned kanina, may susuporta sa'yo, may tutulong sa'yo. So, the support that you need is coming as long as you are willing to accept it. Kasi yung iba, ayaw nilang tinutulungan sila. So, kung meron man dumating na help sa inyo, tulong, i-embrace nyo yan kasi galing yan sa inyong spirit guides, galing yan kay God, galing yan sa universe. Your career is in the process of upgrade. Merong opportunity to become an authority. So, pwedeng kayo ay magiging supervisor, manager, mas tataas ang inyong ranggo sa inyong trabaho. At kung sa business naman, maaring mas magiging parang ano kayo, tawag dyan, makakapag-create kayo ng authority sa inyong business na, uy, si ganito, si Scorpio, yung business niya, yan ang best sa mga ano, ganyan, whatever field that is, 'di ba? Out of the woods, you've made it through. Wow. Out of the woods. So, meron talaga kayong kakayanan na malagpasan yung magiging challenges ninyo. Yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng energy, ng inspiration. Okay? To be more successful. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Good luck for 2025. Thank you so much and see you again.